am Dr. Kshitij Mudia, CEO and co-founder Indra IVF Group. Today is 4th February, World Cancer Day, and it is a singular initiative for everyone to unite across the globe and fight against cancer. This day is marked for spreading awareness and encourage for early detection, prevention, and effective treatment from cancer. Cancer in its various forms has aggrieved millions across the globe. In India alone, approximately 2.25 million people are living with the disease. With the advancement in science and technology and research and development in the pharmaceutical field, various effective treatment options are available. For the people who have been diagnosed with cancer, radiotherapy, chemotherapy, and hormonal therapy are most widely used. They are effective in killing cancer cells and also attack at the molecular level to stop the development of cancer cells. Known side effects to these powerful medicines is sometimes they start attacking the normal body cells as well. And for few people, these normal body cells could be gametes, eggs in females and sperms in the male. The cancer treatment could potentially destroy the germ cells or the replication or development of these eggs and sperms and render them defective in their genetic makeup to have a capacity to fertilize and implant or conceive in the uterus. But science has a solution for this problem as well. And that's why we mostly see that these cancer survivors are rendered infertile or subfertile. But science has come up with a solution of egg freezing and sperm freezing. Egg freezing in the female and sperm freezing in the male could help these couples who want to delay their childbearing and can store their gametes still when they are young because they are good in quality and good in number. Even the patients who are about to undertake the cancer treatments can effectively freeze their eggs and sperms because they are better in quality before the cancer treatment. This could be patients who are wanting to start their family after the cancer treatment, or could be people who have one child right now and want to delay further childbearing or expand the family later in life. It all starts with an initial consultation with an oncologist and a fertility physician. Females undergo few tests to check for their fertility, and then we give hormonal injections to grow multiple follicles in the ovary. These are monitored by regular ultrasounds, and when the follicles are mature, the eggs are extracted from the female body. Males, on the other hand, also undergo few tests to check for the quality and the quantity of sperms, and then the samples are taken. Both the samples from male or female could be stored at minus 196 degrees centigrade in liquid nitrogen. The low temperature ensures that the biological activity is halted and we can preserve the quality of these gametes. We use a lot of cryoprotectants to make sure that ice crystal formation does not occur in these samples. The success of these samples or the effectiveness of this procedure depends on the age of the patient and the number of gametes that are being stored. And that's why we encourage doing this at a younger age, and especially in females where the number and the quality of eggs start deteriorating with age, unlike males which can produce sperms of good quality till later in their life. And now the treatment options have expanded to the novel techniques where we could freeze sperms and egg producing tissues as well. So it's a boon for cancer survivors because they don't have to deal with added complications of infertility after having conquered the disease itself. And it is very imperative that people with cancer or without cancer should know their reproductive options or cryoprotectant options, that they can freeze their eggs and sperms if they want to delay their childbearing. And it is very important, especially for the urban population where people would place their career first rather than getting married or starting a family. These are professionals for whom, getting professionally settled is much more important than getting married or starting a family, and they would want more control over their lives. So it is very important for everyone to understand their reproductive health and take control of their reproductive health, and know that cryopreservation or egg freezing or sperm freezing is a viable option for them to use if they want to delay their childbearing. Thank you.